So what's the issue? What are we doing?
So when I have my hair done, the lady who does my hair, Shannon, at Tangled Salon, she told me that if you put hair around your tomato plants, the squirrels won't get your tomatoes. So I'm going to give it a try. I've been putting tomato plants out for years, and it's so frustrating. I always get them. I get plenty of tomatoes growing, and then just about the time they're getting ripe, I think I got another day or two, and I'll go out there to pick them, and they're gone. Or even worse yet, we found them sitting along the fence on that top post with one bite out of them.
There, right there, and right there. Yep. Just to mess with you. It's like the squirrels are giving you the middle finger, isn't
it? It is. It's, you know, if they'd eat the whole thing, I think, okay, we're just feeding the squirrels. I'll share that. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, them little squirrel bastards have been driving us crazy for years.
They have. I'm so hoping that this works.
I'm here to tell you, I have fought her on this because we have spent hundreds of dollars over the years we've been here for her to grow tomatoes. But we got one tomato, I think, in 3 years.
The truth is, I don't even like tomatoes that much.
Yeah, I do. I love them.
He likes them, and I love growing food. I just love being able to grow things that I can.
I'd rather pay $1 for a tomato at the store than pay $300 for one that he can get here.
But this is so much better.
No, it's not that much better. But if the hair thing works, then that's going to be genius. But I can't imagine the hair thing working, but we're going to see. So
fingers crossed.
There we go. She put human hair she got from her beautician on these tomato plants. We'll see what happens. See if the squirrels stay away. Maybe it's squirrel bane. I think we just kill squirrels, sit up there as an example to the rest of them.
Oh, we can't do that.
You can't. Not only have the squirrels stayed away from the tomato plants, they stayed away from the bird seed. They don't get up on the deck. It's like they're just gone. Squirrels are gone. We were riddled with squirrels. This hair trick is awesome.
She told me, the hummingbird just buzzed you.
I heard it.